Hello there, thank you for watching this video. Just wanted to share some easy tips in case you find yourself in a situation like I did. I'd lived in the United States for a handful of years before moving back to Europe. I had some money in my US bank account. And when I left the United States, I obviously had no US postal address or US telephone number anymore. And that made it difficult to access all the functions of my internet banking with my United States-based bank. And also made it very difficult to actually access my money because the security was linked to my former United States telephone number, which I no longer have. So there is a solution. If you do not have a United States-based telephone, if you do not have an address, the address is less important, I think, these days, but the telephone number you need a US number. And that is to receive your security code. When you try and make a transaction, when you try and do anything of any interest, really, it will tend to ask you to confirm the authentication code that's being sent to your old number, which you probably don't have anymore. So what can you do? Well, there is a solution. And this solution comes in the shape of a USB security key. I have one from Yubico. I got the 5NFC, which apparently is a decent one. There are USB, regular USB, what is that? USB-A, USB-B, no, I don't know what they're called, connections. And then you have, of course, you have the USB-C, which is your cell phone charging port size options. I went with the standard one. I have a dongle that I could connect it to the Mac. You would need that on the newer Macs, unless you get the USB-C one, and then you can go straight in. But this is what's going to save you. And it is really straightforward. You literally buy one of these. They range from about $25 to maybe $70 for the different ones. Again, this one is a middle of that, probably about 50. And does the trick very well, I must say. But what you do, you buy one of these, you set it up with a PIN code, which is very straightforward, and then you go into your bank. And then within your bank, again, this is Bank of America, my situation, you basically go and read up about their USB security key. That's all you would search for. Find that link. Very straightforward on this bank, at least. You go in and you register it. I had to do it over the phone because I didn't have that secure access code, authentication code, because I didn't have a phone number. So I had to do it over the phone with them. And that was very, very easy. Didn't take that long. I just had to give quite a bit of security information to confirm that it really was me. But yeah, once you're set, all good. And then that basically becomes your new security access. No longer will you receive a PIN code to put in on a phone. You will literally just have that little USB security key and your PIN code that you set for that USB security key. And that will give you the security that you need to make transactions and adjust settings in your bank internet portals. So how does it work actually? Well, yeah, let's pretend that this is a USB-C one. So you would just stick it in. Then when you would normally be prompted to enter an authentication code, what you're going to do is you're going to press this. Then you'll probably be prompted to enter your PIN. Put that in. Then it will probably ask you again to activate. So you'll press it again, and that's it, done. That sends, by magic, I'm not even going to try to imagine how that works. By magic, it sends some code through the internet to your bank, and you've just bypassed the need for a PIN code. And you should be set. All done. No American telephone number needed. All good. Use your money, access your banking. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.